Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 2008 Dodge Ram headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, ensuring clear visibility on the road, especially during night drives or in poor weather conditions. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing replacement headlights for your 2008 Dodge Ram, helping you make an informed decision based on factors such as brightness, durability, and style. Number 5. DWVO Ram Headlight Assembly. It fits 2006 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. Please note, it's not compatible with original headlights that have a side marker light. Bulbs are not included, you'll need to use your existing ones. These headlights have integrated metallized reflectors. This increases the light distance, giving you better visibility and safer driving, especially in low-light conditions. They're fully sealed with solid silicone to keep moisture out. That means they'll perform reliably in rain, snow, or dust storms. The durable polycarbonate lenses and high-impact housing protect them from road debris and impacts. They're tough enough for off-road adventures. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. You get a pair, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This headlight boasts a fully sealed structure, ensuring reliable performance in harsh weather. Its durable construction withstands impacts from road debris. If you frequently drive off-road or in challenging conditions, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The housings fit my 2011 Ram as good as the OEM housings. I must say, the new fresh clean look of the lenses on these housing makes my Ram look fresh. These are a really nice upgrade to any old truck. My old headlights were burned and faded badly after sitting in the Arizona sun for 17 years. These new headlights aren't Mopar OE, but I don't care, they look and feel like they are. Installation took all of 5 minutes, I've never replaced headlights so easily. This item was a perfect fit for my Dodge Ram and was very easy to install. It changed the entire look of my truck. Number 4. Auto Dynasty Ram Headlights. These headlights are perfect for your Dodge Ram 1500 from 2006 to 2008 and Dodge Ram 2500 3500 from 2006 to 2009. Make sure your truck has halogen headlamps and is the older body style for 2009 models. They're built to last with high-quality ABS plastic and polycarbonate. This ensures they'll withstand impacts and water, keeping you safe in any weather. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a direct bolt-on fit, with a plug-and-play design. No modifications needed. These headlights significantly improve brightness, giving you a clearer view of the road at night or in bad weather. Drive safer with better visibility. They use halogen bulbs, have a reflector beam type, and are compatible with H13 high-low beam and 3157A signal light bulbs, sold separately. The housing is chrome, and the lens is clear. What we like. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, fitting right in without any modifications. The robust design ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. If you value a simple, reliable, and factory-style upgrade, this is for you. What people say. These headlights were installed in my son's 2002 Dodge Ram truck and it made a big difference in brightness and look. They are the factory replacement assemblies. The factory replacements installed very easily and my lamps tightened in just fine. These headlight lenses not only gave my truck a better look but also allowed me to see much better. Number 3. Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly. Introducing the anti-fogging headlight assembly. It eliminates condensation, ensuring clear visibility at all times. Enjoy worry-free driving. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play design, no drilling or wiring needed. Get it installed in minutes. These headlights meet all DOT and SAE standards. Drive with confidence, knowing they are street legal and safe. Experience significantly improved visibility. They are 200% brighter than your old headlights, enhancing night driving safety. We stand behind our product. Purchase with confidence, knowing it's backed by a generous 2-year warranty. They are designed for 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Please verify your model year and headlight configuration before purchasing. What we like. Say goodbye to foggy headlights with its special anti-fogging coating. Installation is a breeze, just plug it in and go. If you need a hassle-free, compliant upgrade that enhances visibility, this is it. What people say. The fit and finish is amazing. Like others have said, it freshens up the front of the truck, they'll look great. Perfect fit and super easy to install. Makes my truck look newer. Lights are brighter too because there is no more haze blocking it. Fit perfect, the truck looks new. Number 2. Dodge Ram Headlights 06-09. These headlights are perfect for your 2006 to 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, or 2006 to 2009 Dodge Ram 2500-3500. They're designed for a seamless fit and easy installation. They're built with high-quality materials and rigorous testing ensures durability and performance. Plus, they're IP65 waterproof, so you're protected from the elements. Experience significantly brighter lighting with high-quality reflectors. This improves visibility and enhances your safety on the road. An easy-to-use adjuster lets you fine-tune the beam. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play design, no extra tools or drilling needed. They come as a pair for both the driver and passenger sides. We stand behind our product with a 2-year warranty. If you have any issues, our dedicated customer service team is here to help. What we like. Experience significantly brighter illumination for enhanced safety at night. Installation is quick and simple, requiring no special tools. If you prioritize brighter lights and peace of mind, this option is for you. What people say. Packaged very well. Installed in about 30 minutes. Ran it through a car wash to check for fogging or leaking. Good to go. My truck looks much better. Admittedly I was skeptical at first these would fit, but look OEM. Had for a while now, still look new, nice and bright at night, no water leaks. Pleased with purchase. These fit perfectly on my 2008 Ram 1500 SXT. They were very easy to install and look great. Just remove 2 10mm size bolt heads and 1 10mm nut. Number 1. Torchbeam Ram Headlight Assembly. These headlights are specifically designed for 2006 to 2009 Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. They're a perfect fit, ensuring a seamless installation. With IP65 waterproofing, they're fully sealed against the elements. Rain or shine, these headlights will keep performing, even if temporarily submerged. Experience significantly improved visibility. They provide 180% brighter light output than your original headlights, enhancing safety. Installation is a breeze. These bolt-on headlights are a direct OEM replacement, simply plug them in and you're done in about 20 minutes. Your package includes a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side, along with a helpful user manual. Bulbs are sold separately. What we like. These headlights offer 180% brighter illumination than stock, significantly improving visibility in all conditions. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures they'll withstand even the harshest weather. If you prioritize superior visibility and long-lasting durability, this is your best bet. What people say. Fast shipping, shipped nicely, instructions for those that need them, and look fantastic. Lights fit perfect, easy install, everything was great. Love the look of a new headlight assembly on my truck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.